This year I've decided that I'm a hot girl. So I'm going to look really hot this year. That's my first
Damn.
goal. This year I want all physical insecurities gone. Nose job, दांत ठीक करा लूँ, सब कुछ कर लूँ.
Show me. Turn your profile. What's wrong with your nose? It's too
I have
long.
a very fat nose. So I want to get like a thin nose. Plus I have a deviated septum. So,
Everybody has a DNS.
No, तो एक तो यहाँ पे there's this bump,
हाँ.
ठीक है, on my nose and it hurts also and I can't breathe properly. Like एक तो मैं भाग नहीं सकती because I only breathe through my mouth. I cannot breathe through my nose. I want to get that fixed. Like I just want it out of the way.
Actually, can you show me your profile again?
This one is worse.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
A lot of your this stuff will also get better if you stop mouth breathing.
Yeah.
Have you tried mouth taping at night?
No.
Actually, that'd be a perfect solution to your life.
Okay.
You should mouth tape more often.
Yeah.
But especially when you're sleeping, because I put a tape so that you breathe through your nose and you get more used to breathing through your nose.
Okay.
I probably have a DNS. I don't want to get checked. Most people have a DNS.
Yeah.
Most people have a nasal septum that's deviated. They don't.
Yeah.
Plus, with the pollution, you get sinusitis. It doesn't help. And most people breathe from their mouths. Not good. It changes the shape of your face from here, whatever. And
No, this double chin I have hereditary. Which I'm still fine with. This is my first priority. Let me get this fixed and let me see what else.
so like just narrowing it down.
Yeah.
So what else are you looking at?
Nothing else actually.
That's all from the plastic surgery department.
Yeah.
Cool. When are you thinking?
I don't know, March probably.
March 31st.
I just really want to get it done. So this year I don't want any physical insecurities. मैंने gym भी जाना शुरू कर दिया है. मैं post भी नहीं कर रही हूँ उस बारे में because I just want to come out like a transformed person. I want Ozempic speculations. कि ये कैसे पतली हुई? ये तो gym जाती नहीं थी. Ozempic. I don't care. I just want to be hot. So this year I really want to be hot. Next year I'll fix my mental health.
Next year, 26.
Yeah. Because half of your mental health issues are because of your physical issues.
Super agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed.
And it's not like I'm not the kind of person who doesn't love herself. I've tried loving myself. नहीं हो पा रहा है. Now I have the money. I'm going to get a nose job. So.
And sure, I mean, if it is helping you think better for yourself, might as well. Don't stress that. I know a few people who have. India, it's not that common.
Yeah.
I mean, it's getting
I'll
somewhat
get it
common.
in Turkey only.
I mean, India in a sense, I don't know a lot of Indians who have that, but a lot of my other friends, they've had that. And if it helps you sleep better, just go ahead and do it.
Yeah. So that, I hope I get to act more. I would love to act more. I have a movie coming out.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What type?
बहुत ही छोटा सा रोल है यार, वही मेन कैरेक्टर की बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Nice. Girl next door ki girl next door.
Yeah, so that is coming out. My show is coming out. Hopefully, I want to start an IP. Let's see where that.
Like a show, game show?
Yeah.
Damn, everybody wants to do that, huh?
Yeah. Let's see. Supreme leader की राह पे चल रहे हैं सब.
Yeah.
तो.
Yeah, too many game shows coming up. I know so many people I talk to and everybody's like, I'm doing a show. I'm like,
Yeah.
yeah.
But I just want to do like 2 episodes. See, नहीं मजा आया तो नहीं करूँगी.
Sure. No, do your thing. No means, I don't want to discourage.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And more travels, more story times.
Yeah, definitely more travel, hopefully. पर मेरे पास ना कोई है नहीं travel करने के लिए. मुझे कोई सिर्फ travel करने के लिए चाहिए.
कोई जगह या कोई इंसान?
कोई इंसान.
अभी तेरी वो फ्रेंड थी ना जो तेरे साथ गई थी अभी?
रिदा.
हाँ, right.
बट वो बहुत ज़्यादा सोलो ट्रैवल करती है. एंड द अदर पीपल आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल विद, वो मेरे से काफ़ी क्लाउड निकाल चुके हैं. तो अब देयर इज नो एडवांटेज.
तो तेरे को मतलब यू नीड समबडी इक्वली फेमस टू ट्रैवल विद जो तेरे से क्लाउड ना ले पाए.
नहीं. हाँ.
या जिसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
या तो
राइट, इंटरेस्टिंग.
अभी बना दिया है मैंने 1-2 लोगों का करियर, तो अभी मैं ढूंढती हूँ.
थैंक्स. बाकी लोगों की तरफ से मैं थैंक्स बोल देता हूँ जिन्होंने तेरे को बोला नहीं, कभी ग्रेटफुल नहीं फील कराया. तेरी एग्जिस्टेंस, तेरी प्रेजेंस और तेरे व्लॉग के वो एक क्षण के लिए जहाँ
एक क्षण नहीं, पूरे खत लिखे मैंने लोगों को अपने व्लॉग में. ऐसा नहीं है.
Oh damn. हाँ ठीक है. I think yeah, that sounds fun. This year I also hope 2-3 travels मैं कर ही रहा हूँ. You should consider Anjana Deep exploration this year.
ये क्या है?
You know Anjana Deep, the label? Above and Beyond have I think Above and Beyond के label है. उनके 2 labels हैं, Anjana Beat, Anjana Deep. Anjana Deep is deep house, Anjana Beats is more techno. And Anjana Deep as collective does shows around the world.
Okay.
Pretty much around the world all the time. कुछ Indian artists भी signed हैं इस पे. They do something called explorations in Albania by a beachside in June. And it's a very small event.
Okay.
I don't think larger than a few thousand people max, which is very small for festivals.
Okay.
And it's by beach.
Okay.
In Albania.
Okay.
Apparently, this is pre-popping. Like 1-2 साल में ही फट जाएगा, सबको पता लग जाएगा, more people will go. But this year I'm going for that exact reason. कि अभी किसी को नहीं पता है, वही कुछ 1000-1200 लोग.
अपने साथ किसी को लाने के लिए.
I think I have a lot of friends coming. If you're genuinely interested, तेरे को नहीं मिल रहा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have a lot of friends coming.
Done.
Yeah.
Done, I'll text you. You let me
That's
know.
one. Yeah. That's one. Maybe Coachella also this year.
I really want to travel solo this year.
Do it.
I have never
I
done
highly
solo.
recommend. हाँ.
But मुझे खुद के साथ टाइम बिताना पसंद नहीं है.
वो आदत तो
मुझे
फिर तो तू विपश्यना कर, तू सब छोड़.
क्या है खुद से बात करने का पूरे दिन तो. Okay, is your brain ever silent?
Mike?
Is your brain ever silent?
No, your brain cannot be silent. Your brain needs something to hang on to. And thoughts are ledges on which your
पर
brain
मेरे
hangs on
दिमाग
to.
में तो हमेशा 300 थॉट्स चलते ही हैं एट ऑल टाइम्स.
सबके.
तो फिर मुझे अकेले क्यों और बैठ के उन थॉट्स को बढ़ावा देना है.
कब तक भाग लेगी उनसे?
23 साल हो गए. 23 और उससे बाद मुझे जीना ही नहीं.
23 में से 15 तो जिंदा भी नहीं थी. 15 तो तू मोटी थी और तू बुली हो रही थी स्कूल में, तो वो तो मैटर ही नहीं करते. 7-8 साल बचे, बहुत टाइम नहीं भाग पाएगी. Eventually this is what causes cracks that become mental health complications. And it's actually very worth it. अकेले घूमने में एक level of facing your inner demons है. उसका extreme version है विपश्यना. I highly recommend people do that. 10 दिन
वहां तक तो नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगी मैं अभी, पर मैं सोलो ट्रैवल करती
हाँ
हूँ.
सोलो ट्रैवल कर, घूम बढ़िया है, बहुत मजे आते हैं.
बाली जाती हूँ पहले.
हाँ बाली सेफ भी है. उस मामले में इंडिया मुश्किल हो जाता है.
इंडिया में तो मैंने किया है एक बार सोलो ट्रैवल. मैं कभी नहीं करूंगी दोबारा से.
It's very tricky.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं इनफैक्ट एज अ बैकपैकर आई हैव हैड मोमेंट्स जो अगर कोई लड़की होती तो क्या ही होता. एज अ बंदा यूर लाइक भाई रात को 1 बजे कौन आ गया कमरे में.